Okay, working on our trunk cam for 70 rebel machine. We got it back from sandblaster and we got it back there. We kind of cleaned up, got all the wool stuff all sprayed off, got all the sand out of it. Had some rust repair needs to be done on the grills on this side here and on the other side. Got sort of the reinforcement for these front fork clamps here, hangers, and they put a piece of metal on the inside and it rusts out so bad. Went ahead and repaired that, repaired the other side, got 415. Cut our pieces off here, they're not too bad. We'll weld those back in and get done. Make a few little pieces go across the edge right here so that trunk drops on. Which we have right here, new trunk drops on. So we'll be able to fabricate get those get ready for our quarter panels to go on. And also got the tail piece of it drilled off of it. We've got to take and straighten this piece out and try to do the best we can with it. Either that or make another piece for it. We'll see how that goes. So, what we're getting ready to do now is we're going to take and turn it over and 415 the other side and get it ready to go back in our rebel machine. If you haven't been keeping up with the progress of it, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our progress on it. It's been a project, but stay tuned and we'll flip it over and go from there.